What is up, my individuals? Drexler here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Right now I have 8 things that you men can do on your first date that women find very sweet, very sexy, and extremely attractive. By the way, if you guys end up really digging today's video, please give it a nice big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and be sure to hit that notifications button so I can inform you when I drop some new content. So let's begin this thing with number 1, and that is go the extra mile or 2. Now, of course, you know, walking up to the door and greeting your date with a red rose, this is considered going the extra mile. However, you can definitely turn up the heat if you decide you want to make her feel a little more special. If you already know some details about this woman that you're about to take out on a date, then use that information to your advantage. For example, say you guys are texting each other a couple days prior before the date. Get to know her a little bit, you know, maybe ask her what her favorite color is. Say she says yellow, then go ahead and maybe get her a yellow flower. All in all, feel free to use your imagination on this one and go the extra mile. Number 2, show up. Now I know this may seem a little obvious, but what I really mean is be present for the date. Your phone should either be shut off or kept in your pocket. Ignore your texts. Your date should receive your full attention and they should feel like they are very special and very important to you. Number 3, be complimentary. Now I know this may seem a little obvious as well, however, so many dudes forget to do this. Not because they're bad guys or anything by any means, it's just they get a little nervous and they have a hard time thinking straight. Women spend hours and hours getting ready for a date, and it's very, very important for a man to acknowledge her efforts. Whether it's something about her outfit that you like, whether it's her hair, the way she's got it styled, or maybe it's the way that she smells that you really like. Try to make these compliments personal. Don't just tell her she's beautiful, I mean that's cool, but inform her on why she looks beautiful to you. Even inform her on the little things that you may find really attractive. Number 4, focus on being interested rather than interesting. Now, you're nervous, I get it. Don't let this control your actions though. A lot of dudes get nervous about trying to seem amazing to this girl that they're on a date with, and therefore they start talking about all of their achievements, the things that they've done or the things that they can do. And then while they're talking about all this stuff and how great they are, they then neglect to ask their date about her interests and the things that she likes. So above anything, focus on being interested, ask questions, and then go ahead and vibe off that. Number 5, plan the date. It's really special, and a woman really notices when a man steps up to the plate and makes the plans. The last thing you want to do is show up at her house and be like, so like, what were you thinking? Like, you know, where do you want to go? Like, in all honesty, that probably just means that you don't consider her to be of much value to you, and that she's really just not that special to you. Which leads me into my next tip. Take everything in good humor. If things don't go as planned, say you guys, you know, you guys both had a movie that you really wanted to see and you were excited about it, but it's sold out, then laugh about it, don't take it too seriously, and most importantly, number 7, have a backup plan. If things don't go as planned, have something else in mind. The last thing you want is your date to be totally screwed up and you're trying to figure out what the heck to do. Plus, this will show that you are a cut above the rest if you show her that you've got everything under control. Number 8, leave her impressed. Now, as the date is coming to a close, this is just my recommendation, pull up those sleeves. Literally pull up those sleeves. You know, women like that forearm action. I don't know what it is, but they just really dig that. So really, yeah, pull up those sleeves. Walk her to her door. Always walk her to her door, unless she says otherwise. And let her know that you had a great time. And not only that, let her know something about the date that you really enjoyed. Let her know something that she did that you really liked or thought that was funny. This way, you're making your ending conversation personal and thoughtful. So I really hope this video helped you guys out today. For those of you that want a shout out in one of my upcoming videos a little later this month, be sure to let me know which tip helped you guys out the most in the comments below, and be sure to add your Instagram username so I can give you that shout out. Again, if you dug this video, feel free to give it a nice big thumbs up for me. I'd really appreciate it. And if you are new, be sure to subscribe and hit that notifications button so I can inform you when I drop some new content. And I'll be seeing you guys very soon. My name is Drexler. Shaka bruh.